It's the oyster bar redefined. Hip, homey, and downright decadent. Ragin Cajun gumbos, deviled eggs topped with fried oysters, loaded Sicilian salad, cracked pepper fries, and colossal lobster roll. So good, you'll swear there's an ocean right outside the door. One visit to Liberty Kitchen Oysterette, and you're going to see this place is unlike any restaurant you've ever been to before. For starters, there's the oyster bar. Amazing. And then the kitchen. More than 100 menu items come out of here. Executive Chef Travis Lenig is the man behind the scenes in charge of making this massive menu happen. More than 100 menu items.
Yes, we wanted to do a menu that was going to be big so people could come back multiple times throughout the week and get different things and not get stuck on, one or two items.
And that's one of the fun things I think about coming here, because I've made some pretty significant progress working through your menu, and it's rare for a restaurant to have a menu that big and do so many items that well.
It is tough, making things consistent is what we pride ourselves in. So when you come back and you get another menu item that you had before, it's going to be the same. We really pride ourselves in doing a good job and taking care of that.
Lots of loyals say yes to just about everything at Liberty Kitchen Oysterette.
It's kind of like your Cheers bar, your neighborhood place where you can go in and everybody knows your name, and it's
can't beat the atmosphere.
Yeah,
can't beat the atmosphere.
It's such a cool venue. From the outside, it almost looks like a cafe, right?
It does. It's very deceiving from the outside.
Yeah.
And then when you walk in, it's boom, in your face, very antique-y, very, reclaimed wood.
And chandeliers straight from France. Ooh la la. An eclectic combination that works.
We want people to feel comfortable when they come in and dine with us.
There's a burger bowl. You heard right. A giant Angus beef patty surrounded by a mound of those delicious fries. My favorite dish on the menu, the pasta carbonara. Starts with a ton of garlic.
I've got a saute pan in here with some oil that's already heated. I'm gonna add some fresh cut garlic to it and kind of simmer it. I've got my pasta, I wanna get that going into the water. Some parsley, I wanna add.
On all that garlic going on.
All that garlic.
Mounds of cheese.
A lot of cheese, actually.
And the best part, fried pork belly.
There's your low calorie.
It's all topped off with a rich egg yolk. This dish is heaven on a plate. Here we go. That is so good. You like?
I do.
I do too. From carbonara to creative cocktails, locals love the bar too. This is a good spot.
It is. It's a very good spot.
And the oyster bar. Get them fresh or sizzling with butter straight off the Japanese-style robata grill.
There we go.
We actually do several different species out of it. We do Gulf, and we do several East Coast and Canadian oysters. We get our seafood 7 days a week, actually.
Wow.
So every day we're getting oysters in, we're getting our seafood in. You're not gonna come in and be disappointed. So typically, we probably go through around 8 sacks of Gulf and around 15 sacks of market
Wow.
in a night, and that's 100 per sack.
Wow.
So
that's a lot of oysters.
A lot of oysters.
2,000 to 3,000 are shucked every day.
All right, so we'll have these oysters from the East Coast.
Time to give them a try. All right, down the hatch.
Down the hatch.
All in bite, you got it. Oh, that's nice.
Really
another
fresh.
One. It's good. Really fresh. Yeah, bright. What's this stuff? You guys have some of the most famous desserts in the city.
We do. We, one of our partners is Petite Sweets, and it's Susan Molzan who does all the desserts.
Double chocolate cake, bread pudding, pies. Oh my. This is like show-stopping.
This is our salted caramel cake. This is big flavor,
Man.
boom, in your face. This is a great way to end your dinner.
I thought you were going to say to end your diet, and it's good either way.
Either way, exactly.
Definitely leave your diet at home, because with food this good and so much to choose from, it's worth the splurge. A little bubbly?
Little bubbly. Cheers.
Cheers. If you're like me, you're always looking for easy to drink, inexpensive, but delicious wines. Blends fit the bill, and I found some wonderful Sonoma blends that I think you're going to like. This time of year, they're perfect. We'll start out with the white. This one is called a la carte. It's a blend of Southern Rhone varietals, actually, Roussanne, Marsanne, Verdeo. This is a lovely, crisp white wine, some wonderful flavors of peaches, luscious fruit, pairs with a lot of different foods, and for the price, you can't beat it. This is like a $14 bottle of wine. Moving on, a red blend that's a bigger wine. This is a red blend called Valley of the Moon, and it's got some Zinfandel, some Syrah, Petite Syrah. It's got a little Barbera and Sangiovese too, but it's spicy, it's fun, dark fruit. Valley of the Moon. It's a good steak wine or grill wine as well. This one's going to be familiar to a lot of you wine fans. It's an Alexander Valley Vineyards Lot C. Alexander Valley also produces the Cyrus, which is a gorgeous big red wine. This is wonderful too. It's a blend of Cabernet, some Zinfandel, and Syrah. All of these less than 20 bucks, and I found them at H-E-B. Enjoy. Keep your seat, guys, and find out how you can win a relaxing weekend at the beautiful Houstonian Hotel and Spa. Get social with us, guys. You can find me on Facebook at Goodtaste with Tanji, or follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Tanji Patton. We'll be right back. Welcome back, everyone. A weekend of total relaxation is waiting for you. Head to Goodtaste TV right now and sign up for a chance to win a luxurious weekend at the Houstonian, complete with spa treatments for you and a guest at the beautiful award-winning Trellis Spa. Plus, when you stay here, you'll have access to the city's world-class gym, named one of the most luxurious fitness clubs in the country by CNBC. You can sign up for your chance to win on goodtaste.tv. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next week. Cheers to good taste.